I am Zog from Zorblat.
Yeah, we know that, Zog. Hi again. This is me, Daniel, your teacher from Let's Learn British English channel with my two friends, Zog and Brian. So let's start today's conversation.
Well, I'll be. Look at that, Daniel. An actual bona fide alien standing right here in the middle of Central Park.
Indeed, old chap. Quite the unexpected turn of events. I say, do you think they've come for the tea?
Greetings, Earthlings. I am Zog from the planet Zorblat. I come in peace.
Peace? Ha! You've landed in New York City, my friend. Peace is a rare commodity around here. But tell me, Zog, what brings you to our humble planet?
I've traveled across the cosmos to learn about your species, observe your customs, and perhaps share some of our advanced technology.
Advanced technology, you say? Well, Zog, I hope it's better than our public transportation system. Took me 3 hours to get here on the tube.
And what's with that outfit? You look like a cross between a disco ball and a traffic cone.
This is my universal translator suit. It allows me to communicate with any species. As for the fashion, I thought it was rather stylish.
Stylish? It's positively ghastly. You'd fit right in at a 70s-themed party, though.
Zog, old buddy, let me give you a crash course in Earthling behavior. First, we mock each other mercilessly. It's how we bond.
Indeed. And second, we're obsessed with reality TV. Ever watched Keeping Up with the Kardashians? No? Consider yourself lucky.
I see. Well, I appreciate the cultural insights, but tell me, why do you Earthlings spend so much time staring at glowing rectangles?
Ah, you mean smartphones. Those little devices are our lifelines. We use them to order food, find love, and argue with strangers on social media.
And don't forget cat videos. We can't resist a good cat video.
Fascinating. And what about your political leaders? Are they wise and just?
Wise? Just? Zog, have you been watching the news lately? Our politicians are like reality TV stars. Lots of drama, little substance.
And they love to tweet. It's like they're auditioning for a global soap opera.
I see. Well, Earth certainly has its quirks, but I'm here to learn. Perhaps I'll take some of your customs back to Zorblat.
Just promise us one thing, Zog. When you report back to your planet, tell them we're not all like the Kardashians. Some of us are quite sensible.
And if you ever need a good cuppa, swing by London. We'll show you how to brew a proper pot of tea.
Thank you, Earthlings. Your hospitality is unique.